foreign exchange or forex is the conversion of one country's currency into that of another. A country's currency is valued according to factors of supply and demand. A currency's value can be fetched to another country's currency such as the US dollar or even to a basket of currencies. What is currency? Currency refers to the physical aspect of a nation's money supply. Currency notes means and includes cash in the form of coins and bank notes. Section 2. FEMA. Indian currency means currency which is expressed or drawn in Indian rupees but does not include special bank notes and special 1 rupee notes issued under Section 28A of Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. These are issued on special occasion like Gandhi centenary each. Section 2 FEMA. Number of currencies in the world. Out of the 193 countries, there are about 182 official currencies in the world. Is an over-the-counter market. Through it, we can convert one country's currency into another. Forex markets are quite decentralized. Participants like market makers, broker, corporate, and individual customer are physically separate from each other. What is Forex market? The foreign exchange market refers to the network of individual banks and organized financial exchanges that trade global currencies. Forex market, global, 24 hours never sleep, through telex, telephone, fax, and computer networks. Simultaneous trading in all currencies. Future risk similar to any commodity. Profits from exchange rates, exchange exposure funds position. Elements of Forex market. 1. It is part of management science. 2. It refers to generation of Forex. Number 3. It pertains to use of Forex. Number 4. It covers storage of Forex. History of Forex market. The creation of the gold standard monetary system in 1875 marks one of the most important events in the history of the Forex market. Before the gold standard was implemented, countries would commonly use gold and silver as means of international payment. The main issue with using gold and silver for payment is that their value is affected by external supply and demand. International monetary system. International monetary system are sets of internationally agreed rules, convention, and supporting institutions that facilitate international trade, cross-border investment, and generally the reallocation of capital between nation-states. They provide means of payment acceptable between buyer and seller of different nationality, including deferred payment. International monetary system, to operate successfully, they need to inspire confidence to provide sufficient liquidity for fluctuating level of trade and to provide means by which global imbalances can be corrected. The system can grow organically as the collected result of numerous individual agreements between international economic actors spread over several decades. Alternative, they can arise from a single architectural vision as happened at Bretton Woods in 1944. Bretton Woods system. During World War II, the Allied nations believed a need to set up a monetary system to fill the void left by abandoning the gold standard system. In July 1944, more than 700 representatives from the Allies convened at Bretton Woods, New Hampshire, to deliberate over the system of international monetary management. It established the rules for commercial and financial relations among the world's major industrial states in the mid-20th century. The first example of fully negotiated monetary order intended to govern monetary relations among independent nation-states, Bretton Woods system. On August 15, 1971, the United States unilaterally terminated convertibility of the dollar to gold. As a result, the Bretton Woods system officially ended and the dollar became fully fiat currency. Bretton Woods led to the formation of the following. A method would fix exchange rate, the US dollar replacing the gold standard to become a primary reserve currency, the creation of three international agencies to oversee economic activity. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, and the General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, GATT. Fact file: the most commonly traded currency pairs are the US dollar and the Japanese yen, the US dollar and the euro, and the US dollar and the Swiss franc. Forex market players: commercial banks, central banks, corporates, individual. 7. USD, US dollar, Euro, GBP, British pound, JPY, Japanese yen, CHF, Swiss franc, AUD, Australian dollar, CAD, Canadian dollar. Fact file: according to the Wall Street Journal Europe, the most commonly traded currencies on the forex market are the US dollar, USD, the Japanese yen, JPY, the euro, EUR, the British pound, GBP, the Canadian dollar, CAD, the Australian dollar, AUD, and the Swiss franc, CHF. Top 10 currencies trader: 1. Deutsche Bank, 2. Barclays Capital, 3. UBS AG, 4. Citi, 5. JP Morgan, 6. HSBC, 7. Royal Bank of Scotland, 8. Credit Suisse, 9. Goldman Sachs, 10. Morgan Stanley. Foreign exchange markets: spot markets, forward markets, future markets in India yet not permissible. Option markets, swap markets. 1. They are mostly centered around organized markets like New York, Tokyo, London, Zurich, Hong Kong, Singapore, etc. Daily trade runs to hundreds of billions of dollars worth of currencies of the world. Forex market is an abstract concept as there is no single location, say like the Mumbai Stock Exchange. It is merely an over-the-counter market. Futures, option, and swap are called derivatives because they derive their value from the underlying exchange rates. The economic liberalization provided the economic rationale for the introduction of FX derivatives. According to the data compiled by Switzerland-based Bank for International Settlement (BIS), India has the fastest increase in market share on comparison with other countries in the world. Rule of RBI: management of money supply, inflation management of exchange rate, ensuring orderly market factors affecting rich short-term time scale in forex, supply-demand position, movement of funds, entry of a large bank, corporates, political crisis, wars, oil price, central bank intervention.